Good morning to all. Welcome back to English online classes of Sri Gokulam Public School Guruvayur. I am Revati, your English teacher. Last day we have discussed the summary of the story. I hope all of you read the story very well, and today we will discuss the story in detail. So take your textbook page number 25. Lesson 3, the most beautiful thing. Here you can see get started. Write down 3 most beautiful things that you see every day. Share your list with a friend. Discuss why you chose these 3. So just write down 3 most beautiful things that you see every day. Okay, so let's start the story. I am bored, announced the queen. Some music, Your Majesty? Asked her advisor. What happened? Yes, there was a queen lived in a palace. She was bored. Some music, Your Majesty? Asked her advisor. What do you mean by Your Majesty? A way of addressing a queen or king. An advisor means a person who gives advice. So, the queen was bored and the advisor showing some music. The queen gave a slight nod, but when the court musicians started playing the same old song, she sent them away. The poor advisor tried everything to please the queen. The court acrobats were called, portraits were ordered, but she was still bored. I am bored, announced the queen. Some music, Your Majesty? Asked her advisor. What happened? Yes, the queen lived in a palace. She was bored, and the advisor asked whether you want to listen any music. Here, Your Majesty means the way of addressing a queen or king. An advisor means the person who gives advice. The queen gave a slight nod, but the court musicians started playing the same old song. She sent them away. What happened? Yes, the queen gave the permission to listen the music, but when she started to listen the song, it was an old song, the same song she heard in all day. So she sent them away. The poor advisor tried everything to please the queen. The court acrobats were called, portraits were ordered, but she was still bored. What do you mean by acrobats? The people who are good at stunts like jumping, balancing, and so on. And portraits means pictures of a person, usually of the face. So the advisor tried everything, acrobats, portrait, drawing, everything, but still the queen was bored. I am tired of all this, she said, pointing to the room. I need a different sort of beauty. Yes, she was bored of seeing the same drawing, painting, and everything. She need a different sort of beauty. She announced, inform everyone that the queen is holding a contest for the most beautiful thing in the world, and the prize shall be this crown. And at last, the queen announced a contest. What do you mean by a contest? Contest means a competition. What is the contest? Yes, a most beautiful thing in the world. And what is the prize? Yes, that is her crown. Everyone gasped. What do you mean by gasped? Took in a quick, short breath, expressing surprise. Yeah, very shocked and surprised because of the prize of the contest. What is the prize? Yes, the queen's crown. The queen's crown was made of pure gold, studded with magnificent gems, and the crown made with gold and filled with gems. Gems means precious stones, and magnificent means extremely beautiful gems. There was no treasure like it in the whole country. So it's very precious. It is very precious and costly than any other treasure. And next page 26, the announcement was made. Soon a long line of people formed. And after the announcement, a long line of people formed. They showed their poetry, their paintings, and even their animals. After several days, the queen was disappointed. And what happened after their announcement? A long line of people formed and they showed their paintings, poetry, and their animals also. But the queen still disappointed. This is hopeless, she muttered. So, what do you mean by muttered? Yes, speaking in a low voice. Not quite hopeless, Your Majesty. The queen sat up, wondering who had spoken. Yes, she was bored of seeing the same paintings, drawing, and everything. And one said that not quite hopeless, Your Majesty. And who is that? Yes, a bearded man stood behind the palace guards. You can end your search now, Your Highness. What did he said? Yes, he said that you can end your search now. And the queen raised an eyebrow. Have you brought me the most beautiful thing? She asked the man. And the queen thought that he brought most beautiful thing for her. The man laughed. Not I, nor anyone here. I have waited here for 2 days to tell you that the most beautiful thing cannot be brought to you. You must go to it. And what happened? Yes, the man laughed and said that nobody can bring for the most beautiful thing for you. You must go and find it. The queen was astonished. She asked, "What do you mean?" Astonished means surprise. But the man was gone. What happened? Yes, she wanted to ask, what do you mean? But after questioning him, he was disappeared. The queen's advisor said, "Do not bother yourself about what he said, Your Majesty." And the advisor said that you don't worry about what he said. But the queen had an idea. Send everyone home, pointing to the people still waiting in line. I must prepare for a trip. She said that those who are standing in the line, send them to the home. I prepared a trip. The advisor was surprised. A trip? Where to? He asked. The advisor surprised and asked, "Where did you go?" The queen smiled and said, "Elsewhere." The queen said that some other places. All arrangements were made. The queen was so excited that she wore her best dress and her crown for the journey. And she was very excited. She wore her best dress and wore her crown also. The crowd cheered as the royal carriage moved out of the palace gates. The people very happy when they saw the royal carriage moved out of the palace gates. The queen was not sure what she was seeking or where to find it. The queen was not sure what she was looking and where to find it. Okay, but as her carriage rounded a hill, she looked back at the palace. The setting sun sparkled between the white towers. The scene looked like something out of a storybook. What do you mean by the scene looked like something out of a storybook? That means it looked as pretty as a picture in a storybook. The queen looked back at her palace. The scene was very beautiful. The setting sun sparkled between the white towers. Why have I never seen my home this way before? She wondered. Why does she say this? Has she never seen her own palace? She might have seen her palace before, but might have never paid any attention to its beauty. The queen spent weeks traveling. She saw beauty everywhere, in the birds flying back to their nests, in a newly born calf, in the twinkling stars. What happened? Yes, at last she saw beauty in everywhere, in the birds flying back to the nest, in a newly born calf, and in the twinkling stars. One day, when the queen was sailing on a lake, she realized that she felt peaceful for the first time in many years. Suddenly, she understood what happened. One day, she was sailing on a lake. She realized that she felt peaceful for the first time for many years. And next page, with all her might. With all her might means with all her strength, using her strength, she broke off a piece of her crown. She tossed the piece into the lake and watched it slowly sink. I am ready to return home, she announced. And she felt the peaceful for the first time. So she broke the crown and threw a piece into a lake. And she watched it slowly sink. I am ready to return home, she announced. At last, she announced that she ready to return her palace. As she journeyed back, the queen left a piece of her crown at the root of an old tree. She placed a piece at the bottom of a green valley and the top of a snow-capped mountain. She dropped a piece in a stream. She tied a piece onto the mane of a pony. Little by little, the queen's crown got smaller and smaller until nothing was left. And she ready to go back at her palace, and she threw a piece of crown in different places. Where did put the piece of crowns? Yes, root of an old tree, bottom of a green valley, top of a snow-capped mountain, and in a stream, and on the mane of a pony. What do you mean by mane of a pony? The hair that grows from the top neck of a horse. And little by little, the crown got smaller and smaller until nothing was left. She had found the most beautiful thing. It was the world. And at last, she realized that the world itself the most beautiful thing. The world is the most beautiful thing. So I hope you understood the story very well. Read the story once again. The page number 29. Here you can see values. Sahil loves playing computer games and watching TV. He never goes out of his house, not even for fresh air. Tarun takes a walk around the small garden in his apartment compound every evening. He loves looking at small insects and flowers. Who do you think will be healthier, Sahil or Tarun? Give reason. Who will be healthier, Sahil or Tarun? Definitely Tarun will be happier and healthier. He will be very healthy because he will get exercise and fresh air. He will be happy because he will never be bored. So, what is the moral we learned from this story? Nature teaches us, it protects us, it gives us joy. We must always appreciate and respect nature. So, I hope you understood the story very well. All of you read the textbook and write down the meanings. Tomorrow we will discuss the new words and meaning. That's all for today. We will meet in the next class. Till then, take care. Bye.